Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to edit information on Facebook page. Write me if my solution helped you and if you managed to do it on your phone. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Getting started. For this, we go to Facebook on absolutely any phone. After that, you and I have to press menu and switch from the main profile to the page. Further, we press menu. Opens our profile, scrolling down. And here we click About. Scroll down. And here we click Edit Public Details. This is where you see these settings. And now we can change the settings. First bio, second page, insert category, address, change email, change phone, service, and so on. Click bio, and here we can change, add some numbers, write letters, and click Save. After that, when it is saved, we can click Edit, change your home address, phone number, email, contact information, and so on. But always when you change, do not forget to click Save. After that, we're able to edit the information on the Facebook page. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Write in the comments that you want to see more on the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.